Hey, what's up, guys? So, backstory time. Sadly, this old baby didn't really make it through. The engine blew, but I did install a aftermarket stereo system on it, and I kind of want to keep this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you today how to take out the stereo system in a 2004, or really 2000s to 2006 Toyota Highlander. This applies to pretty much any model. It's pretty simple, really standard stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to show you how to do this. And then in a different video, I'm going to show you how to install it in a different car. So that's coming up. So now I'm just going to do it. So the first thing you got to do is you just kind of pull it out and take a screwdriver or something and just pop it off. You know, it's got some little tabs in there. You can just pop it off. Just, you know, nice and simple. You know, just try and get some leverage in there. Just kind of work around. There it goes, like that. Just pop right off, and boom. So there it is. You see, that's the little console area. Got your little AC vents. And now the entire thing's kind of exposed. So the next thing we're going to do is there are some... Here, let me show you guys. There are some little... screwdriver pieces right here. We're going to take a Phillips head, we're going to unscrew those, but first we're going to take and unscrew that right there. It's a little, take a ratchet, we're just going to unscrew it. There's 4 of them, or 6 of them, a couple of them. We're just going to go in there and we're going to unscrew that. I'm going to show you how to do that, so right now. So yeah, I mean, I got my 10mm ratchet right here. All Highlanders should be a standard 10mm. If yours isn't for some reason, well then just use the correct size. I mean, there's, you know, it's not rocket science here. Most people are super worried about going and replacing the radio because they don't want to mess it up and they think it's complex. It's really not that complex. I mean, it's standard, simple procedures. As long as you just kind of make sure you do your research and you understand what you're doing, you shouldn't mess it up. And just, you know, just take care of it. You know, don't get in there and start screwing around with the wires. Don't do anything that you're not supposed to be doing. Just you know, just have a plan, and yeah, I mean, it's really simple stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and unscrew it. Just use my fingers at this point. We got the ratchets out. Now we're just gonna pop out the assembly like so. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there are some wires back here, and it's really just simple stuff. There's little tabs on the wires. You're just gonna push down, maybe wiggle them a bit, and pop out the tabs just like that. Pop that little aux cord out. Pop out. Come on, pop out that tab right there. Oh, yep, there we go. Pop out that guy. We've got 2 of them. And boom, boom. One more guy right here. And just like that, we've taken out our system like so. I personally use the Kenwood model for my stereo system. I like it. It's a Bluetooth system. It works pretty well, but most importantly, it's pretty cheap. Whatever system you have is your preference. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out the system, and you see there's some little screws right here actually, and if I'm not mistaken, you should, oh wait, yep, you see, you should be able to unscrew these guys right here. And then we're just gonna like pop it out. Yep, here we go. So we're just gonna take this thing right there and just unscrew them. There's another one right there. Yeah, I'm not really recording all of the unscrewing because I'm assuming y'all know how to unscrew a screw. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Just unscrew them. There's 2 more on that side. We're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you how to pop it out. And it's really straightforward. All right, don't know if y'all can see this or not, but I've unscrewed the screws. So I am just pretty much going to pop out the assembly. Just kind of gotta pull back and you see, pull out these little pieces right there, and just like that, boom, popped it out. So that's the AC unit. I'm gonna put that over there, and there you go. that's how you take it apart. There it is. Nice and easy, straightforward. I'm going to show you in a different video how to install this in a car. I just wanted to make one video about taking it out and the other video about putting it back in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really good. You know, it's not that hard. I recommend Kenwood, but you can use any type you want. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I really need subscribers to get monetized and to get, you know, watch hours and all such that stuff. But yeah, if you want to see more content like this about fixing Toyotas and other cars as well, other makes and other models, just subscribe.